Using video for your new hire onboarding or your new employee orientation can be complicated. At least you might think it's complicated, but really you're probably overcomplicating it, and I want to break down why video is such a simple medium for delivering your onboarding and training. So first of all, video is as simple as using a camera phone or your webcam to record you or to record an employee doing what they do. You might be tempted to make a long form video that's 10 minutes or 20 minutes with your company logo and snazzy editing effects. But when I actually ran a video production company shooting live sporting events, we decided years into the business to cut away all the titles and the fonts and the animations and the effects and strip it down to just the video. And the reason is that video is timeless, but when you clutter it with these logos that might change for your company or text that might change based on the person, then it means you need to reshoot that video later. So actually putting video into an editing program can slow you down in the long run. So I always recommend raw cuts of your video. The next thing I recommend is to only shoot one step at a time. And what I mean by this is that a process can be complicated. It can have step 1, do this, step 2, do this, step 3, do this, and syncing that all together in one take of a long format video can be really challenging. So instead, record several 30-second or 60-second or 2-minute clips. It's easy enough for you or your employee to deliver that one step without messing up in one take, and then you can upload that as an independent video, whether it's into Trainual or into a service like YouTube, Vimeo, Wistia, so that you've got a playlist or a step-by-step collection of your process in video format. So don't be daunted by video, use it because it's a great medium to communicate, and it's often easier and faster than taking screenshots, taking photos, or writing out a long process in text. But as a how-to, just take out your camera phone or your webcam, start recording, talk about the process until you've delivered a sufficient amount of information, at least for that step, stop recording, upload that video to a service like Trainual or another video hosting platform, and then stitch together step by step by step until you've got a clear, complete process laid out in video form.